A British scholar says he has been impressed by the development of China's Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area, saying it has played a pivotal role in Chinese modernization, given its robust innovation capacity and potential. The remarks are made by Martin Jack, a former senior fellow at the Department of Politics and International Studies at Cambridge University.
I think that there's going to be great interest in the Greater Bay Area. I mean, the extent to which it represents a leading technological edge in the world, it means new kinds of cities and towns with a new kind of use of technology for all sorts of different purposes and so on. Guangdong was the beginning of China's catch-up modernization from 1978 with the open door policy and so on to the Greater Bay Area. Now it's seen as absolutely central to China's own modernization. I mean, you've only got to go to Shenzhen to see the possibilities with firms like Tencent and Huawei and BYD and so on. So this is already, there's a cluster of extraordinarily interesting firms.